recording. Hello guys. Well, the video I'm uploading now, it's gonna be about this, but it's 2 minutes later, and oh my lord. I'm trying to get it closer.
You would be able to see the chest. That's when all our guys are about to throw up.
That is intestines.
And the bowl. And no. Private.
I wonder how delicious that is for girlfriend.
Oh, now she's biting the wings.
Nom 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 nom
She
nom
loves
nom.
the ribs.
Nom 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 nom.
She's eating the ribs too. And so you know, if y'all ask questions about the bones, she ate them.
I got like a really intense view. Dun, 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 dun.
She loves them. Do never mess with girlfriend when she's eating, or she will find you and kill you.
Pet pet.
So you know this is 3 a.m.
No, it isn't. It's daytime. Quit your line.
This is gonna be a 3 a.m. We're gonna try this as a 3 a.m. challenge. We're gonna be hunting
Hold on.
birds 3 a.m. So if y'all want to see that video, drop a like down and comment and subscribe.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna go like shit.
Shut up.
Look at that girlfriend. She just keeps on. Oh! Yeah, get a better look of that. Oh my god, come here, Tony.
How do you feel, Pudge? Good, good.
Look, you can see the ball.
What ball?
You can see it. Do you see it?
Oh my!
Zoom in on that.
I'll zoom out a little bit. So
If you see a little big ball thing, that's his intestine.
or something else.
Or his balls.
Yeah.
Definitely. So you know she didn't eat all the bones. There's just one rib.
Right
there.
there.
So
Back.
I'm getting over here.
Get over here.
Hold on.
Get over here, chicken. Bark, bark.
Well, you post that on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube.
What?
It's going on YouTube.
That's Dr. Mom goes on YouTube.